Hello friends and welcome. I'm excited you're here. Scrapbook.com is having a massive sale. They currently have over 5,000 items on their clearance list, some of them 60% off or more. But then on top of that, you get to take an extra 25% off. I have never seen a sale like this from them, but obviously sifting through 5,000 items is a lot, unmanageable even. And so I've tried to organize the sale for you to help you get the most from your crafty buck without spending hours and hours looking through things that you're not really interested in. If you're new here, hi, I'm Sarah Liz, and I'm on a mission to make card making more affordable and more accessible for everyone. To do this, I release free printable card making kits on the first Friday of every month, full of sentiments, digital stamps, digital paper, and all sorts of goodies so you can get crafting for $0. If you're interested in freebies like that, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more downloads. But let's go ahead and get into it. All right, the first thing we're going to do is scroll beneath the video and click on more to unpack that description box. And up here at the top, the first thing you'll see are the emergency card kit playlists. Those contain every free printable kit and the video that goes with it that I have ever released. The second playlist is just for your holiday kits in case you're getting started early on those holiday cards. But below that, we're really working to organize the scrapbook.com sale. So I've organized a few ways. First by price, then by discount, then by brand, and then down here, I will show you some of my very favorite supplies that I have and some card samples to go with them, things to inspire you if you are grabbing a crafty deal. So I want to start up here. The first option you can click on is this deepest discounts first. I love a bargain. So what you'll find here is every item on clearance, all 5,336 of them, but the deepest discount is first. So here we have the Crafter's Companion foiling platform. It is $4.99 down from $70. That's 93% off, you guys. It's a little bananas to me. And then as I scroll down, that's a lot of what I see, right? Are those really, really deep dollar discounts. In fact, one of my favorites is right here. It's from Crafter's Companion. This is the Fright Night treat boxes. Normally $40. The clearance price is $9.99, but then you take another 25% off, which puts that at $7.49. It's 81% off. You guys, look how cute these are. I used to have this one and then I lent it out and now I might buy another one. I'm gonna be real honest with you because that's a heck of a bargain. Crafter's Companion also has deeply discounted this buttons and buckles. And I'm gonna be honest with you, the picture is hard to see, but we have tons of little buttons and buckles that can make all kinds of really cool things. So normally $25, the clearance price is $14.99. You take another 25% off. That's $11.24, so 65% off. The other options as you shop by price are from low to high with deals starting under $1, high to low, items under $10, and items under $5. You can also shop by discount to see everything. So that's what we have here, 60% off or more, 40 to 60% off, 20 to 40, and 10 to 20. Then we can shop by brand. There are so many items from our favorite retailers here. And then down here, this is what I'm really excited to show you. I have that Fright Night treat boxes and the buttons and buckles are both 60% off or more. So I've linked directly to them for you. But then there are other supplies in here that are favorites of mine that I have and I've made cards with. So I want to show you those on the desktop and I'll walk you through the discounts. All right, I have two favorites I'm so excited about. These are from Pink and Maine. It's the Bear Planter and the Cat Planter. Originally $17.99. I will say the Bear Planter is my favorite. I used him last time I was on Craft Roulette with my new, well, it was new then, plant freebie kit. Feeling cute. Might die tomorrow. Sometimes I wet my plants. I just think it's so funny. But this guy is on sale for $6.89. That's almost 62% off. You guys, so good. The Cat Planter is a little bit more, $8.24. That is 54% off. I am skipping that middle step, right? So it's clearance price and then 25% off of that. Make sure you add the coupon code at checkout to get that extra 25% off. But these are a screaming deal and so cute. Next, we have the holiday background panels from Spellbinders. This thing is massive. Originally $43.99. He's on sale for $19.49. These are huge. Okay, this is a 5x7 card, and you can see in the background here, we have these wonderful snowflakes, but you can hot foil that or you can better press that. And there's lots of patterns. The polka dots and the stars are really for all seasons as well. So at almost 56% off, this one is absolutely a favorite pick. Next, we have the Merry Mischief bundle. This is a set of 4 die sets that come with stamps, and it's 54% off. So we have a Santa going down the chimney, and then I love this puppy dog, and I used a couple of the sentiments here. I made a bunch of like interactive, fun, playful cards. This is an incredible bargain. Altogether, you get all 4 stamp sets and die sets, and it's $35.99, down from $78.19. You can buy them individually, and some of them are on clearance. But the Cozy Waddles, for example, originally $16.99, is on sale for $15. That's about 12% off, not nearly as good of a bargain. So if you're interested in any of them, I would grab the bundle. Next is a delightful surprise at 45.8% off. This is the Kaleidoscope Peacock. I didn't know that you could still get him. I love this beautiful detail down in the feathers. So this guy is $14.62, down from $26.99. It's a large die set and really, really stunning. Next, you know I love a sassy sentiment. So it's this word die here, yippee pie yay. It also has a shadow. I cut mine out of acetate there to make this little light up feature. But that's from Photoplay, 44% off, $10.64, down from $18.99. I love this one. I have also linked below to a giant word die from them. It's Let's Get Merry. I have given mine away, but it's nearly the size of an A2 card. And if you're looking to make quick and easy holiday shaped cards, I think that one is a screaming deal. $8.99, 43.8% off, down from $16. Next, I am delighted to have some Trinity Stamps products on clearance. This is UFO Hello, normally $25, on sale for $14.24. I made a couple of cards with this one, and this guy spins, and he's a shaker. I love that. So this guy is on clearance at 43% off. That's as good as you are ever going to find Trinity products. The deepest discount you typically see on their website is 20% off, unless it's on clearance, and then sometimes you'll see as much as 40, but this is a rare deal. Next, also from Trinity Stamps, is the Simply Sentimental Celebrate stamp set. It's just the stamps, and you guys, I couldn't find any of my samples with the stamps, but the dies that coordinate with it are the exact same shapes and fonts. So what you get are a bunch of large Celebrate words and then sub-sentiments to go with them. And I love the fonts. Never mind, this one got played with by my children. I'm missing an E, but I just think they're so clever and they're so fun. So this one's on sale for $10.87, down from $19. That's 43% off on the kind of stamp set that I could use on every single card, every card that I make. So I love this one. Next, we have the Big Mouth Nutcracker bundle from Hero Arts, and it makes these nutcrackers. And because this is the bundle, you can make them interactive, right? And there's stamps and stuff that make them really, really funny. So you're actually getting both die sets here. It's 38% off to get the pair of them. Combined, they would be $40. They're on sale for $24.74. This second die set, this one that creates the slider mechanism, has add-ons for it that aren't the Nutcracker. There's like a sardine can. I'm hoping they'll come out with some more. I just think this one is super fun. One of my all-time favorite critters is a roller disco Dottie. I just think she's so stinking cute. You can skip the roller skates if you don't want a roller skating Dalmatian, but she's on sale for 37.5% off, $7.49 down from $12. Then we have this Halloween add-on. It is a die set and stamp set. It's intended for Halloween. There's like a little ticket in here and then a bubble die for your wording. But this wouldn't have to be for Halloween. I dressed my cat up for Christmas. It's just an adorable cat, you know? So he's 37.5% off, $18.74 down from $29.99. One of my all-time favorite holiday sets is on clearance. This is from Spellbinders. It's the Christmas Wreath add-on. Normally $32.99, on sale for $20.99. That's 36% off. This has everything. We have an ornament, a giant bow, a poinsettia, a Christmas tree, a snowman, a top hat. This tree is so elegant and so beautiful, but you can also do really simple things. Like I just put the hat on the season's greetings, which is also in this set, right? Really quick, simple holiday cards that make a big impact. On sale from Hero Arts, we have coffee and croissants, and I think this is stunning. Look how beautiful these are, right? I just did a little bit of like watercolor situation when die cutting those out. And then this guy, I cut out of acetate. So we would have that really great sort of glass look for our coffee maker. He's 36% off, $12.74, down from $19.99. If you're a fan of emergency card kits, don't sleep on this one. He's on clearance most places and has sold out at a few. It's the scallop journal cards, and it creates the most perfect mat for our 1 3/4 inch circle sentiments. The idea of an emergency card kit is that the sentiments are interchangeable. All of the kits have the same size circle and rectangle sentiments, and you can see it here. This die set creates that little swag and the scallop here, which I absolutely love. He's on sale, 35.7% off, $13.49, down from $21. I love an interactive card, and Danson Douglas is so stinking cute, right? So his little legs swing side to side. I made a double interactive card for this one, so you can see him even on the inside. If you search for Danson Douglas on my channel or any of these supplies, you'll find the tutorials where I made these cards. But he's 35.7% off, $18 down from $28. He's just the cutest thing. You guys, I love this one. A fantastic background stamp. This is the Bubble Celebration stamp. Normally $15.99, on sale for $10.49, so 34% off. I love this. It is perfect for all of your underwater scenes. So many brands are coming out with fish and other sort of summery tropical dyes and stamps right now, and this is an awesome background for that. We have a fan favorite on sale from Concord and 9th. This guy is so cute. It creates these little soda cans, right? And the flowers are in there too. There's also a coordinating stamp set. So the dies are on sale, normally $25.99, on sale for $17.24. So that's almost 34% off. And then the stamps are $16.49, down from $24. So 31% off. I love finding fan favorites on sale. Also from Concord and 9th, we have Poolside, normally $27.99, on sale for $18.74. And it creates your people and your inner tube, and it has this really great mechanism so they can sort of turn in the water. You can also repurpose that mechanism to use with other dyes that you may have. Really cute. Then we have one more from Concord and 9th. This one's called Tree Topper, and it creates this fun interactive element on the inside of your card. So the hand comes down and puts the star on top of the tree. It does something kind of like what this card does, right? So it sort of rotates up and down to add that final touch on the tree. He's 31% off, $16.49, down from $24. All right, my friends, I hope this was helpful for you. I would love to know in the comments which of the brands that are on clearance is your favorite to shop from. And if you find a rockin' deal on something you really love, let us know, because we want to know too. Thank you all so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you next time.